Welcome back, friends. In this video we are going to learn about the regulation of cardiac activity. Regulation of cardiac activity. First of all, what is regulation? Regulation means altering the functions of the heart. We can say altering the speed of the heart, speed of the contraction and relaxation of the heart and heartbeat, and so on. So how this works, that we are going to discuss in this video. First of all, um, you just have to remember 2 3 things regarding this video. We will not talk about the details, but let's understand the concept first. So there are in your nervous system, we have done that your brain has 3 parts: the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain, right? And hindbrain consists of 3 subparts called pons. This is medulla oblongata and this is cerebellum. So for the regulation of heart, your medulla is responsible. So let's draw a heart here. Here I am drawing a Valentine style heart for you. And what will happen? We all know that heart is a myogenic in nature. Heart is myogenic. What do we mean by that? Myogenic, which means it can be auto excite or auto excitable. It doesn't require external neural system to take part for contraction and relaxation. It can contract and relax independently. Yes, in the normal situation. But suppose in the emergency cases or some special occasions, there is requirement of the nervous system to take part in the function of heart. Let's say if we talk about the neural system, we all know that there is a central nervous system, there is the peripheral nervous system, there is autonomic nervous system. So your autonomic nervous system is responsible for the regulation of cardiac activity. So suppose you are in an emergency situation. Let's say you are very scared, okay, or nervous. So in that case, your medulla, there are some special centers present in your medulla which which alters the heart rate through the ANS, autonomic nervous system. And remember one thing, autonomic nervous system also has 2 parts. First is your nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, and second is parasympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic. So your sympathetic nervous system works in your emergency cases. So let's say in this case, your sympathetic nervous system, the nerves in the sympathetic nervous system will increase your heartbeat, increase your we can say cardiac output by increasing the ventricular contraction, and ultimately it will increase the cardiac output. Your sympathetic in emergency cases. Okay, and in parasympathetic will be responsible to decrease the cardiac output. If you have not do not know about the what is cardiac output, please go and watch my previous videos. In that case, you will learn what is cardiac output. You can simply say the decrease. It will responsible for decreasing your heartbeat, cardiac output, and heartbeat. It is increasing your heartbeat. Sympathetic. Okay. Why do we need to increase the heartbeat? Because your muscles require more energy to produce oxygen, sorry, to produce ATP, so that it can react to that emergency situation. So that's why your muscle should get extra amount of blood. So that's why your heartbeat should be increased in emergency cases. So then your sympathetic nervous system takes part, which is a part of ANS, autonomic nervous system, and the centers present in the medulla of the hindbrain. Okay, these are the parts of your hindbrain. Centers present in the medulla are responsible for the activity or regulation of your cardiac. There is another one thing you have to remember. Your adrenal gland is also responsible, which is present on your kidneys, is also responsible to increase, along with the sympathetic nervous system, to increase your cardiac output. So the in this way, when you are facing any emergency situation, your medulla oblongata increases your heartbeat, so that more amount of blood should go into your muscles and the body parts, so that you can react to those situations. And when you are in normal situation, your parasympathetic nerves and nervous system will work to um, to normalize your heartbeat and cardiac output. So this is all about the regulation of cardiac activity. I hope it is helpful. This is the second last video of this chapter. In the next video, we will discuss about disorders and we'll complete this chapter. Thank you so much for watching.